Very delicious rice and chicken or arroz con pollo. Hello everyone, I cook rice, chicken. I add oyster sauce, lemon juice, black pepper, paprika, cayenne pepper, olive oil, chicken powder, and beef powder, and also lemon powder. So I have to mix it, and then we have to marinate the chicken. You have to massage very well, and put the refrigerator marinate of couple hours inside the ref. And also I have to fry it with olive oil to turn brown the chicken. Thank you to all my supporters, subscribers. Don't forget to post the notification so every time I upload my video, you're always updated. So as you can see guys, the chicken I turned is look brown already. You have to try it. It's very, very delicious. So now our chicken is ready. We have to put aside. So same, the chicken where I fried, I use the oil. I add garlic, fresh garlic, onion. You have to stir it until translucent. And also I add bell pepper chopped and tomatoes. And I add sauce that where I marinated the chicken. So I have to cook it, simmer until the ingredient soup. So I wash the rice. I use the long grain rice or basmati rice, whatever you have available. So it's better the long grains to 2 and half cup the rice. And also I add black pepper, Himalayan salt, and also beef powder. So I have to toast the rice. I add tomato paste and olive oil. I add black pepper and also 2 and 1/4 chicken broth. So I cook this for medium heat because you have to watch it. So when your rice is half cooked, then you have to add chicken that I fried. Thank you to all my silent viewers, subscribers, supporters. Thank you so much for support, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you like the video. And I add also olive oil, and then I cooked it until the rice is half cooked. Then after that, you have to turn the temperature medium to low for 30 minutes. So when the rice is look like almost cooked, then you have to turn 30 minutes, the temperature change to low for 30 minutes or 25 minutes. So now as you can see, it's look really good. I add some green olive. So it smells really good, and I add dry parsley leaves. If you have fresh, it's okay. Or cilantro. I add some dill leaves dry. So now I add a little more of olive oil so it's not get dry our chicken rice, or what they call in Spanish chicken pollo. You have to try guys, it's really good. As you can see, it's really good. You can put or fry your marinated chicken, or you can fry the chicken. It's up to you. So thank you so much for watching our chicken rice con pollo. It's ready to serve, or chicken rice. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe again. Bye.